everybody. I'm Chai, and this is my second day in DAV and my very first daily DAV. So I'm really excited to be part of the team and taking part in this amazing project.
Hey there, Davers! So yesterday Shahar and I did a sort of a high-level overview for different projects, setting milestones, making sure we're on track with everything, and then I spent the rest of the day working on the crowd sale smart contracts. Today Alick and I had a great meeting with a delegation from Japan, met some really interesting people. You might have heard of some of them. Unfortunately, I can't really divulge any more details than that. I'm going to be spending the rest of the day working with the team, preparing for a new team member that's joining tomorrow, and doing some more work on the smart contracts. See you tomorrow.
Hi guys, welcome to my daily DAV. Yesterday I met with the International Advisory Group that's dealing with ICOs, and that was really interesting to find out about regulations in the region and attitudes by different regulators. Later today I'm going to reach out to John and discuss some of the outreach that we're working on together and what the next steps are better. Thank you.
Hi everybody. Today I'm continuing to work on refactoring that need to be done to merge charging drone branch and routing plan branch. So I'm gonna be working all day today and probably also tomorrow on this. And that's it for me for today. Bye.
Hey guys, so yesterday Noam, Alick and I prepared for the upcoming meetup we have at Google Campus tomorrow, and I made some research regarding how drone owners would prefer to upload the route planning file. And today I worked on our mobile campaign together with Alex and Yuri, creating a new landing page and new creatives. And I also made some adjustments to the route creation page we made for Grad. And well, this is it guys, thanks.
Hi, so this morning I did some great work with our PR firm, working on some quarterly campaigns and also setting up an interview with a journalist in the drone space for myself and Tal. And also rolled out some press releases myself, and I've been working on and will continue to work on late into tonight some pitches for some tier 1 organizations that we'd love to have on board the DAV Alliance. That's it for me today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Lopardo here. So last week, specifically Friday, worked on a lot of follow-up based off the event I went to down in Silicon Valley on Thursday for Connected Cars California, really great event. And also did a good amount of work on the new partner that we just brought on from a marketing standpoint who is covering the specific Asia region. So doing good back and forth with them to make sure that they're totally in lockstep with what we're doing. Also today, main focus has been on the affiliate program, making sure that all of our members are actively doing the right referrals to the right members. And then also working on some social and some content for the rest of the week. Thanks everybody, have a good day.
Daily DAV, what's up? So today, welcome our new team member, Hai. I took some headshots of him to use in his bio on our website, and then I prepared some compressed footage for Lior to use on the product page. And then I made a mock-up for our DAV t-shirts to send to the printing place. And then I sat with Lior on a new 15 seconds video ad that we are making for a mobile. After that, I'm gonna do the daily DAV, and then I'm gonna work some more on the scammers video, and that will be it for today. See you next time.
Hey Dappers, Alick here. My day is going really well. This morning, me and Tal went to see a group of Japanese crypto influencers that flew into Israel just to speak with them and see potential collaborations and synergy. Me and Lior are getting ready for our presentation tomorrow at Blockchain Israel Meetup at Google Campus. We're just brushing up on our pitch and going over our presentation. Today we went to a team lunch and with our new team member, Hai. That's about it. We had a great day. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey Davers, today I'm trying to build my Gantt using Jira. Jira's not behaving very well, but I think I'm going to manage to convince it. So, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Hi guys. Today I'll make new presentation for Singapore. I'll make 2000 slides mainly with beautiful photos and a power text message. In this presentation also we demonstrated our new products. After then, I'll make new mobile landing for a beautiful site. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.